This year, for World Book Day, we here at Abraham Moss Primary Phase selected Alice in Wonderland as our whole school theme. All children from nursery through to year 6 partook in a week-long's worth of activities. Some of the activities that the children partook in were Drop Everything and Read, dressing up as a book character, One of the fun activities that were also part of the week was a dance workshop whereby the children retold the story of Alice in Wonderland through dance. We invited in parents to watch different versions of Alice in Wonderland with their children. As part of the tea party, the children were challenged with creating their very own Mad Hatter's hat. There were many variations of weird and wonderful hats.